and welcome to my channel. Today, this video is about the Joyor, that's spelled J-O-Y-O-R, F like Frank, 7S like Sam. So that's the Joyor F7S. Unboxing. So let's begin. So this box actually came a little ripped like this. Hopefully nothing's damaged. Hopefully nothing is, like, no water got in it. It is packed really, really well on the inside. Styrofoam is messed up, which leads me to believe, was this previously repackaged? We will see. So we definitely wanted to do this video because this literally was so hard to find on YouTube, on the internet in general. It was literally maybe one other review. So I want to keep it real with everybody and let you know what I think of this. So this comes with the user manual. Let's open this up. It comes with like a little Allen key. They gave a little free gift in here, which is a bag. This is the charger right here. Universal bike holder. And this is the port for the charger. Other than that, it looks like a lot is already put together. So I'm going to take it out the bag right now. Also comes with two keys right here. That's the alarm. If somebody was to move it, you can set the alarm. This is the unlock. That's the lock. Do it again. This is the alarm. This is the unlock. That's the lock. Upon unboxing this fully, we realized that they sent the entirely wrong scooter. This right here is what they should have sent, and they sent this right here. We are so disappointed in this purchase, over $700 for this scooter that does not even have a seat. Just so everyone knows, the seat comes separately. So right now, we are going to put the kickstand down. I recommend you put the kickstand down so that way you can make sure that you have it sturdy. So you just lift this up and it snaps into place. So to lift the whole entire bar up, there's a lever right here. You pull this lever down and you see that metal knob, it will click directly into the other indent. Pause. All right, everybody. So while I'm cutting this open, just so you know, the seat, you will come separately. Joyor does not explain this to everyone, so this is why I'm doing this video, to make sure that you are well aware the seat will come separately. And also, I had a hard time getting in contact with Joyor, so the best way is if you put if you email them and also put in a dispute, then Joyor will respond. So they are trying to make everything right. They are trying to work with me. They did explain that the seat comes separately. I wish I would have had a video or some way to know that the seat comes separately, but this is why I'm helping everybody out now, so you know.
This was a piece that was wrapped up in a bubble wrap. But if you go to the next video, you're going to see the unboxing of the seat. You're going to be able to see all the pieces that come together in that box to make the seat. Now, don't forget to hit that like button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Subscribe and share to this video if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.